Welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome if this is your first time. I advise you to see the previous lessons that we've gone over so far. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Today's lesson is about family. Family. Fanmi. Fanmi. Mom. Maman. 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 Dad. Papa. Pa. Pa. Papa. Son. Petit garçon. Petit garçon. Petit garçon. Daughter. Petite fille. Petite fille. Petite fille. Sister. C'est. 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 Brother. Frère. 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 Cousin. If it's a male, it's cousin. 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 Cousin, if it's a female, it's cousine. 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 Aunt. Ma tante. Ma tante. Ma tante. Uncle. Tonton. Ton. Ton. Tonton. Godfather. Parrain. 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 Godmother. Marraine. 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 Grandmother. Gun. 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 Grandfather. Grandpa. 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 Neighbor. If it's a male, it's voisin. 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 Neighbor, if it's a female, voisine. 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 Friend. Zami. 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 Now some new words that we're going to introduce just so we can use them in a practice sentence. House. Kai. 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 Vacation. Vacances. 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 Like or love. Remet. Ren, me. Ren, me. Work. Travail. 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 Now some sentences so we can practice the new words we've just learned. I'm going to my friend's house. Mpral kay zanmim. Mpral kay zanmim. Mpral kay zanmim. Gene went to vacation at his grandmother's house. Jean al nan vakans kay gran li. Jean al nan vakans kay gran li. Jean al nan vakans kay gran li. Edwin loves his godmother. Edwin reme marraine li. Edwin reme marraine li. Edwin reme marraine li. The neighbor went to work. Voisin yan al travay. Voisin yan al travay. Voisin yan al travay. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Please provide feedback, as your feedback will be used to incorporate in future lessons so we can continue to make these lessons better for you.